Excellent opportunity for high traffic visibility with a cozy living quarters. This Kemp location offers a spacious lot with the home situated at the rear. Plenty of room for parking or fencing as well as alley access. The home is absolutely adorable. It features an efficient floor plan with everything you need: living, kitchen, bedroom, full bath, laundry facilities and great storage options. Plus the city bus route offers a stop directly in front of the home if transportation is needed. What a buy!